Does your Netflix show the error, "Your account cannot be used in this location" on your iPhone? This usually happens when Netflix detects your account being used from a different region, your account is shared in another country, or there's a location mismatch. In this video, we'll try out some solutions to fix it. Solution 1. Check location. Sometimes, if you move to another state or country, your Netflix doesn't recognize your IP address. This basically locks your Netflix account. So if you are in a different country, you may not be able to use Netflix right now. But you can disable your location and check. Open the settings of your iPhone. Then go to Privacy and Security. Now tap Location Services. Toggle off Location Services and confirm your choice. After that, swipe down and toggle on Airplane Mode. Keep Wi-Fi turned on. Now try to open Netflix and check your issue. Solution 2. Turn off VPN and Proxy. If you use a VPN, proxy, or private DNS, Netflix will block access. Go to Settings, then go to General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN. If you have any active VPN, make sure to turn it off. If you don't use VPN, but your Wi-Fi router has one, restart the router. Then open Netflix again. Solution 3. Reset your network location. Go to Settings, then go to General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and open Netflix. Hopefully, your issue is fixed by now. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works for you or not. And that's all for today. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for useful tips and tricks.